Hello everyone. Today I'm making marshmallows. Kids just love this sweet treat. It's very easy to make and it's delicious. Before we start cooking, we need to prepare the pan. I covered the dish with high-quality parchment. You can also do this with cling film, but you'll need to grease it with vegetable oil so that the marshmallows come off well after hardening. For cooking, we'll need 10 grams of regular gelatin, which is 2 teaspoons. Add 60 milliliters of cold boiled water to the gelatin, which is 6 tablespoons. Leave the gelatin aside until it swells well. For the syrup, we'll need 220 grams of sugar, which is 11 tablespoons. Add 60 milliliters of regular cold water to the sugar. After the gelatin has swollen, it needs to be melted in a water bath, or you can do it in the microwave in short pulses, without bringing the gelatin to a boil. And now you can put a ladle with sugar on the stove and cook the syrup. The syrup cooks very quickly. As soon as everything boils, this kind of bubbling appears, you can turn off the stove. We begin to beat the melted gelatin at medium speed of the mixer and pour in all the syrup in a thin stream in this video. I prepare a double portion. After pouring in all the syrup, continue to beat at maximum speed. When the mass has become a little light, I add vanillin and also continue to beat everything well. While beating, carefully watch the mass so that it does not solidify right in the bowl. As soon as it has thickened well and is wound around the twig, we immediately pour it into the mold. I pour half of the total mass into the mold and quickly smooth everything out. And I will color the other half with beetroot juice. I used boiled beetroot juice. I added 2 teaspoons of juice and quickly mixed everything. You can use any food coloring instead of beetroot juice. Or try doing it the way I do. You will not feel the beetroot flavor at all. There will also be useful tips in the description. Come and read. I will cover the marshmallows with film on top. Grease the film with vegetable oil and put the dish in the cold for 2 or 3 hours. Now mix the starch and powdered sugar in a 1-to-1 ratio. In the place where I did not grease it well, you can see that the marshmallows stuck. Sprinkle the starch and powdered sugar well on top, and you can cut it however you like. To prevent the pieces from sticking together, roll each piece well in starch and powder. You will get springy and very tasty pieces. If you liked everything, don't forget to like it. It's not difficult for you, but I am very pleased. Try to make such a sweet treat for your children. I think everyone will be delighted. In the next video, I will cook French caramel pie with apples. Don't miss it. Thank you all for your attention. Bye everyone.